Hello everyone, we are going to learn that how to change imperative sentence into passive voice, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Well, let's move and learn it. But, first we should know imperative sentence. So it can be defined as: an imperative sentence addresses an implied second person with a request, command. It means that an imperative sentence is nothing but just like other kinds of a sentence. But, in this sentence we give command, or making request, and it has different structure than other sentences, so it can also be changed to some extent differently than other sentences in passive voice. Just, first look at the active structure of imperative sentence. Base verb, plus object. Simply, it means that active imperative sentence starts with a base verb directly and then, object. Just look at these examples. Open the door. It is imperative sentence, but, if you want to change this one into passive voice then you have to follow this passive structure. Let, plus, object, plus, be, plus, past participle. So, it can be changed like this. Let the door be opened. So you can see, first, we have used, let, then, object, so the object is, the door, and then use, be, and then the verb is, open, but we have to use past participle of it, so, the past participle of it, is, opened. You can see, we have changed it with this formula. Look at another example. Take this book. Look at this active sentence, it can be changed into passive according to the structure like this. Let this book be taken. Again, first, we have written, let, then, the object, this book, and then, be, and then past participle. So this is a passive sentence of this imperative sentence. Write a letter. Observe this active sentence. It can be changed with the same formula. Let a letter be written. You can see, we have added, let, then, object, then, be, verb, and then past participle, written. So, we have got the passive voice of this imperative sentence. But, you should also remember that imperative sentences can also be written in negative structures. So, how will you change this sentence? Do not use my phone. You can see, it is also imperative sentence but it is a negative one. You can also change this one into passive voice by this formula. Let, plus, object, plus, not, plus, be, plus, past participle. As you have understood this formula, now just apply it in this negative sentence. Let my phone not be used. Just look at, first, we have used, let, then, object, my phone, and then, not, and then, be, verb, and at the last third form of verb, used. So, by this way you can change all negative imperative sentences. Let's do another sentence. Do not take his book. It can also be changed like this. Let his book not be taken. You can see, according to the rules we have changed it and it is correct. Let's try another one. Do not write my name. It can be changed as: let my name not be written. You can see, first we have added, let, then an object then, not, and then, be, and at last third form of verb. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this lecture please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.